Am I still testing? Because it's done. That's because it's nice. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Ugandan Rolex. We already have our ingredients in front of me. These simple things here can turn something extraordinary for your breakfast, for your snack time, for your lunch, for your dinner. This is a whole meal. We have a cabbage head, which we are going to chop into smaller pieces. I still want to know why this is a mboga. We have an onion, we have tomatoes, we have eggs, and the chapati. We already have so many recipes of chapatis on my page. This is a pumpkin chapati. I made this in the night. I'm going to be sharing the recipe of making this sometime soon, but we already have enough of them on my page. Scroll through, you'll see them. And with this, you're set to go. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's get started. You're going to start by chopping your cabbage. I'm going to divide this into two and then go on ahead to get some quarters, and then you can peel this. One of my favorite vegetables is actually a cabbage, so best believe I'm going to enjoy that one. And you want to chop this. They can be chunky, they can be small. It depends on what you want, but we are going to make this small. This Rolex is about to bang. In Uganda, we don't wear our Rolexes, we eat them. I'm going to go in the second time and cut as if cubes. And then I want to get my mixing bowl, add the cabbages in there. So chop that and it goes there. And then I'm going to get my onion. On the streets, this is a Ugandan street food. On the streets, you can use your hands to chop this. I like how they just do like this. Unfortunately, I can't do that. I'm not so skilled to do it in my hand. So I'm just going to chop smaller dices. I'll put it in here. I'm going to grab my salt, get some of it, enough. You need to season to taste according to what you may like. Someone may wonder, why haven't you put the tomato? On the streets, it's not allowed. The tomatoes come last. I'll show you how that works. And then I'm going to grab my eggs. We're going to be using 3 of them. God forbid you crack this in and it's spoiled. And there you are. And then you want to mix this together. When I go to the streets, I've been pregnant like 3 months ago, and in the last month I always wanted to eat a Rolex, so I always told the guy, make sure the cabbages are more than the eggs. So this is what you're looking at. Right now we are going to go onto the fire, heat up a pan, add some oil, and then pour this, and then I'll show you how to roll it out together. Let's go. So you want to put on your pan. You want a big pan. So you're going to heat up your pan, and once it's hot enough, you're going to add on some oil. Just add enough to cover the base of the pan, like this. If you cook on no heat, it will not burn. But if you want, you can put on a lot of oil, really. And because this is stainless steel, when the oil is hot, it's going to start forming waves. You may not see it from the camera, but you will see it when you do it at home and you have like a stainless steel pan. Once it's hot enough, you'll go on and add your eggs and let them set before you add on the chapati. So after pouring this on, you want to go on ahead and spread the vegetables outside, otherwise it stays in the middle, because it's not as runny as it would have been if there were no vegetables. You want to keep on making sure it's not getting stuck at the bottom. That is when you add on your chapati like this. As you can see, the egg is really set and done. Let's go on the chopping board, add on our final touches, and enjoy our Ugandan Rolex. In Uganda, we call this nyanyambisi. Look how juicy that is. Usually the small ones. Then you're going to grab them and layer them around the chapati or your egg, like that. Then you're going to get some salt and then sprinkle on top of the tomatoes. This is going to make them juicy. And then it's time to roll. Nyanyambisi. These are homemade chapatis I'm using, so they are much softer. And then you can serve it in kavera, like the streets, or you can just chop it into like this. Usually the juices are going to come from the bottom, so you want to be careful. My friends, Rita, are you still on diet? You need to take a generous bite, okay? Okay. Make one and enjoy.